welcome back to the channel. Hey, the channel. Hey y'all, today we working on what year this is, babe?
2007.
A 2007 Dodge Charger. We're gonna put a starter on here, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Okay. All right, guys, we're at the bottom of this this Dodge Charger. We got to move this rack and pinion. You see that size? What is it? 13?
15 on the rack and pinion bolt.
Well, 15 on the rack and pinion bolt. Y'all see that socket sticking on it, and the starter is up there. I'm gonna try to point to it for you. The starter right here. Well, the starter right there. Y'all can see it. I don't know what size they are yet, but they size 15. You got a bolt right here. 3 bolts on the starter. They size 15. Back up in here. So we're gonna drop down this rack and pinion. We're not gonna unhook it from the tire over here. We're just gonna take this bolt off right here, and then take the one off right here. And they size 15. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, we had to take this off the stern column right here. You see that hole right there? It was a screw right there, size 13, to take it off the stern column shaft right here. Y'all see it right there? See that moving? So take that out, size 13, so that way you can be able to drop your rack and pinion down. So we're about to take these out now, right here. Guys, we just took the rack and pinion down from here, from this spot right here. And you see the starter is, you can see it better. The starter is right here. Got a bolt right here. Wait, no, that's not the bolt. The bolts are here and up there. So this is the nickel for the steering wheel right here. We haven't actually even pulled that off yet, but we took the bolt out of it. We took the screw out of it up here, but we might not have to pull it off. I don't know, we might and we might not. But yeah. Now, 2 bolts?
Yeah.
Which 2 that is?
Right there on the tire. See the tires?
Oh, you talking on the tie? Oh, the tie rod in?
No, the bolt on the rack and pinion. There's 2 on the 15 bolt and the L16 on the back end.
Oh. Y'all, on this rack and pinion, y'all, on the front side, it's a 15 on the nut. I mean, on the screw. But on the back side, you might have to hold it back here. And it's a size 11, 16, or 17 millimeter. So you can hold it on the back there, because it'll be trying to turn on you while you're trying to loosen the front up. So watch that. All right, guys, I'm on the back side. This is the front right here with the rack and pinion, but I came behind it because this way you got to take your bolts off it. You got one right here, one right there, then another one right up there on the top. You see it on the very top up there. So you got 3 bolts, and I used the swivel too to get on them just right. Y'all know I hope y'all know what the swivel is. King, let me show that. Let me see that swivel, King. Let me show them what the swivel look like. Give me the whole thing. Okay. This is the swivel, y'all, right here. This part that flex like that. That's what a swivel is. From here to there. This the socket on the end. The socket on the end of the swivel. But it flex like that so you can be able to get it on whatever screw you need to get it on. Alright, so that's the size 15. Alright, and you see the starter is, let me put my hand up through here. You see the starter, we got it loose right there, if y'all can see that. I don't know if you see it. You just gotta pull it off, and you gotta take your wires off the back of it. So I'm about to pull it out through the front there. Guys, after all, we didn't even have to pull that shaft off of the rack and pinion, did we?
No,
it's still on there, so you just have to drop the 2 bolts on it. But this is the starter we got, and on this bolt right here, it's a size, what size was it? 13? It was a size 13 for that nut on the power side, and then the plug just pop off right here. So we about to put it back up. Guys, we got the starter back in. Did you see the bolts? 1, 2, and 3 up top. So sweet. You didn't have to take that shaft out, like I said. Just drop your rack and pinion. Just drop it down. You ain't gotta take the tires off from there. And drop that starter down. Put it back up. Oh, let me get my light. Hold on, guys. I gotta get me lights. I'm gonna show you. They out of gas on the car, but baby, crank it off for me. I'm gonna show them that it does well turn over. Because it wasn't doing nothing but clicking before, so. See See, it's turning over, guys. All right, it's out of gas, they said. All right, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell your grandma, tell your granddaddy, tell your friend, tell everybody. Hype us up. Yes, sir.